English Bosnian, as there, equals.
Imali.
Travel phrase mastery. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to ask for what you need like a travel pro? Let's get you confident and smiling. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, printables, and bonus drills. Today's superstar phrase is, as there, which in Bosnian is.
Imali.
2 claps, then say it, clap clap.
Imali.
If a genie gave you 3 questions, you'd start with, as there. More wishes? Genie says.
Imali.
Nice try. Your goal today. You will ask for essentials clearly and politely: water, Wi-Fi, seats, maps, and discounts. Aim. Use as there, equals.
Imali.
Smoothly in real life. Memory trick. I'm a Lee, sounds like.
Imali.
Gesture. Raise your hand slightly, palm open, and say.
Imali.
Try. Is there water?
Imali vode.
Is there coffee?
Imali kafe.
Is there a toilet?
Imalice.
Mini dialogues. Listen, imagine the scene, then copy the rhythm out loud. At a hotel front desk. Is there Wi-Fi? Staff.
Imali.
Wi-Fi? Da, cifra je na kartici. On a bus. Is there a seat available? Passenger.
Imali.
Slobodno mjesto, možda pozadi. At a trailhead. Is there a map of the trail? Ranger.
Imali.
Mapa stays? Da, uzmite jedan primjerik. In a cafe. Is there decaf coffee? Waiter.
Imali.
Cafe bez kofeina? Naravno. In a shop. Is there a discount? Clerk.
Imali popusta.
Za student, da. Pattern and forms. Get the structure, then you can flex it anywhere. Question, as there, equals.
Imali.
Affirmative answer.
Ima.
There is. Negative.
Nema.
There isn't. Compare. Do you have? To a person equals.
Imate lik.
Example chain.
Imali bankomat. Ima bankomat.
Slash.
Nema bankomata.
False friend alert.
Imali.
Can mean, they had, not the question.
Imali.
Bonus formal synonym.
Postoji lik.
More formal, does, exist? Quick drills. Echo me fast, speak before you think and trust the pattern. Is there water?
Imali vode.
Is there coffee?
Imali kafe.
Is there a toilet?
Imalice.
Is there an ATM?
Imali bankomat.
Is there a discount?
Imali popusta.
Is there time?
Imali vremena.
Is there a seat?
Imali slobodno mjesto.
Is there Wi-Fi?
Imali ifi.
Culture tip. Sound local with a smile and a tiny head tilt. In Bosnian cafes it's common to ask the waiter.
Imali.
Cafe bez kofeina? Add a friendly tone and soft rising intonation. In shops, asking.
Imali popusta.
Is fine, if not, you might hear.
Nema.
Pro move. Start wide with.
Imali.
Then follow up with specifics or switch to.
Imate lik.
When addressing a person directly. Memory spark. Lock it into your brain palace in 5 seconds. Picture your fridge with a sticky note that says,
Ima li?
every time you open it, you whisper, is there?
Ima li?
Cafe? Add a beat. Clap clap, I'm Ali, then your item. Quiz time. Quick check. Answer out loud before I reveal it. How do you say, is there, in Bosnian? Answer.
Ima li?
Translate. Is there an ATM? Answer.
Ima li bankomat?
Fill the blank. Underscore 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 Wi-Fi? Answer.
Ima li?
Wi-Fi? Opposite meaning. There isn't. Equals? Answer.
Nema.
Which addresses a person directly? Do you have? Equals. Answer.
Imate lik?
Fun challenge. You're late, thirsty, and adventurous. Go. Scenario. You arrive at the station thirsty and in a hurry. Ask 3 things in a row. 1. Is there a bus now?
Ima li autobus sada?
2. Is there water nearby?
Ima li vode u blizini?
3. Is there a student discount?
Ima li popusta za studente?
If the clerk says,
Nema.
you pivot. Do you have?
Imate lik?
Thanks and next steps. You did great, keep the momentum going. Thanks for listening. Practice asking, is there, equals.
Ima li?
A few times today, water, Wi-Fi, seats, and more. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, printables, and fresh episodes. See you next time. Clap clap.
Ima li?
Adventure? Always.